In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new time clock. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Configuration. From the drop-down menu, select Clocks. You should arrive at a list of your current time clocks. To add a new one, click Add in the upper right-hand corner. First, name your clock. I'm going to say Coffee Shop C. Then give your clock's external ID. This should match up with the ID you're using for this clock in all of your other programs. Then give your clock's location. I'm going to say on wall adjacent to employee entrance. Then provide a description of the clock. Maybe I will say something like painted bright blue. Next, select the time zone. Click the arrow next to time zone and choose wherever you are. I'm going to say Mountain Time. If you want this time clock to be able to be used, you do need to enable it. So click the box next to Enabled. If you're not ready for this clock to be live and usable yet, go ahead and leave that unchecked. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this time clock, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that time clock, Coffee Shop C, has been added. That's how you can add a new time clock. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete time clocks.